Hi guys, it's part one. Let's build a website using Bolt.new. So let's go into the Bolt.new website. Just go into the Chrome and type in Bolt.new. So this is how our UI looks like. And just type in build an e-commerce website. So now I'm building an e-commerce website. You can build your own websites. If you want to build a personal website, just type in that. It will be generating a portfolio website for you. That's all. So now I'm creating build an e-commerce website, and yeah, the e-commerce website is being created. As you see, there is a lot of files getting created. Yeah, so this is how the uh, bolt on you it's going to generate code for you, and of course you can see the preview over here. This is how your websites look like now, and also the add to cart and all those stuffs are working. I guess uh, that when you go to click on that cart, it can be viewed over there, but we need some updations. So let us add some cool UI and attractive stuff. So I just put a random stuff on there. So you can generate your own prompt. So I just want to modify the UI and also add some features. So I did accordingly, and as you can see, like it creates uh like it changes appropriate files that need to be changed and adds features. Also you can see here, like it creates tables. That means it uses database. That is, here we use Supabase connection. So all you want to do is just go and click connect to Supabase over the top right corner. You can see over there. And also, because why we need Supabase is we are using like login and authentication, right? So we need to store the data. So we use Supabase here. As you can see, create a new project from here and go and type the project name. So it can be anything. So I just type in ecom.shop. So you can create a password too. Just I'm typing a random password and click on create new project. Okay, so is that cool? Yeah, it's cool. And yeah, so your project is being created now. So your database connection is also created. As you can see, it is now creating connection to the Supabase, and it's completely cool now. Yeah, as you can see, it created your changes as you need. It created a carousel as per my needs. Yeah, this is how your whole website looks like. And also, if you want other modifications, other stuff, please go and type in. So it's just a preview of what my mind had. So I just had some random idea and I just put on. So this is how you can generate. If you wanna keep modifying, keep adding stuffs, keep connecting more stuffs, yeah, you just want to add it. So now, as you can see, the ad card can be fully functional. And also, if you want to go and check out and buy the product and all, if you want to add all those features, please go and type in the prompt. So, and I'm not going to add the payment check or all those stuff. So, please, if you want, you just go and type it. So now my aim is just to make you understand that this is how it works. So yeah, so this is how our website will be built. So, and also you can export it. The code will be exported. So if you want to do that, just go and do. Okay. So now we can go to the Supabase. So this is how our Supabase looks like. Supabase means the database that we are using here. So just go to the authentication. So you can go and read the things about authentication in about auth. So now I'm not going to read all this. We just need the explore authentication where we can see our authentication table. You can see the users table. Yeah, this is how our database looks like. Now I'm going to create a new user. So now I'm going to create admin at gmail.com and also a password. So this is just to add a new user. So I just manually typed in, created a user over here. You can create it from the website also, but now I just created it's like that. It's no need if you don't want to do, just don't want to do. That's all. Okay. Um, Now what we want to do is like we have to add an authentication. So we need a login sign up, right? So only then we can sign up a new user or log in a user, right? So for that, I put some random um, prompt to add the login and sign up page. Okay, so this is how it works. This is just everything depends on that prompt. Well, well, let's go. Let's look into it. Let's see what happens. Like, and also the Bolt.new, I think you don't get too much credits over here, so just use the limited edition wisely. So yeah, so that's why I'm just picking up things, like telling all those things in a single prompt. So if you are pretty much uh, optimized on your prompt, and yeah, you can generate it within the premium without the premium itself. So if you want to take the premium, yeah, of course you can move on and you can build an entire website, entire full stack application using this. And yeah, so yeah, so our changes are being made. Let's look into it. Yeah, as you can see, you I just look at the top right corner. You can see the sign and sign up, right? So yeah, we just build it. We can now sign in and sign up and do whatever you want. And if you want to add more logic into it, like the card need not I mean not to be updated um, without signing or something. You can add that logic. Just want to type in the prompt. That's all. Okay, so this is how the sign in page looks like. Just type in the uh, details. So I type in the details, and by sign in, I will get signed in because I have already created admin@gmail.com in the super page. So it logs in. Else you can sign up. This is how your UI looks like, and our website is yeah ready. Yeah, as I said, if you want to build an entire website and want to make all the functionality proper and things like that, just go and uh, take the premium. It's one option, or wait till 24 hours or something. You will get some more credits. You can keep moving again from tomorrow. So I think you can go like that, or I think there is a referral option. So just go and explore that stuff. So yeah, we just learn to um, build an entire application website using vibe coding, right? Bolt.new helps in creating websites. So that's it. So I think we are done with the website.
So let's get into the part two of building app. So, first of all, let me say one thing. You can build any app of your own. You can get in any ideas you need. You can type in anything you need. Okay. So now we are going to build a habit tracker. Basically, I don't have an idea. So now I choose this idea because I didn't get any other idea. So if you have some other cool and fun ideas or something, please go with it. It will be really fun. Okay, so yeah, so now let's build a habit tracker. And also, I think we need some profiles, right? So I think we can add some profiles too. So yeah, this is how you want to add, or yeah, I said what are the things that was in my head to it. And let's click enter. You can see the files getting created. Yeah, so it takes some time in creating code. So by the time, let's speak of something else. Yeah, after the code completion, it will be directed to an expo app, or it will be saying that just want to create install an app called Expo. So the whole app is written in Expo. So all you have to do is just go to Play Store and download Expo. So yeah, as you said, the instructions are everything is clear in the desktop itself. Okay, so Bolt.new is such amazing, man. So it's so cool AI. So as you can see, just go to Play Store, download it, and you can see scan QR over there. Just scan it, and yeah, done. So you scan it. Once you scan, you'll be seeing the app in your mobile. So how cool is that? App you just build using prompt is available on your device. So it's cool. Yeah, it always works. Yeah, and also you can see the statistics also over there. You can see a profile. Yeah, I think it's overall a great app that we built. And as you can see, the achievements notifications and all those stuffs are not working. So if you want to keep working on it, please go and type in the prompt. This is a homework for you. Just go and type in, just build an entire app and make it live. So yeah, use it wisely. So I think the app is done. So it's part three now. We'll export some design to an website. So just go and click on the frame and you'll get the link over the top URL. Just copy it and go into Bolt and take in a new chat. So I just took a new chat now. So now you can see import from Figma button over there. Just click on it and paste the URL over there. So once you post and paste and import the file, so it will be started creating code and fetching all the assets and building the entire app from that design. So this is how it is connected with the Figma file. As you can see, it just built the entire app or converted the entire design to code. So yeah, and also just look at the preview, and you will be surprised. Actually, I was surprised, so that's why. So as you can see, just will see it in full screen. Yeah, it's just build the entire app. So yeah, you just go and see the Figma file. Let me check whether it works. So this is the UI. So it will be able to convert the design into website. So if you want to make it functional, just prompt it like I want to make it functional. So it will be working accordingly. So this is how it works, and you can see how it made sense. And if you add some color or if you want to add some other things, just go and prompt it. So this is how it works. Yeah, I think we are done with the three parts. And thank you for being part of the session. So let's see in the next video. So stay tuned. Bye bye.